So another series of questions here on unit price. So basically, they're asking you a fuel price 6.2 liters it equals $5.39 to buy 6.2 liters. Or on the other side, 8.5 liters of fuel equals $7.31. They want to know which one is the better deal. So we're going to need to find out the price per liter. So I've left my L in there to represent liters, and that would be our variable. So we know that 6.2 times L equals $5.39. So this is an algebra equation. All we're going to do is we're just going to get L by itself. So divide both sides by 6.2. Okay, those cancel out. Our L, our liters, is approximately 87 cents. So our total cost will be 87 cents per liter. That's what we're paying on this particular pump. On this one, we're just going to do the exact same thing. Divide both sides by 8.5, and those cancel out, and your total is 0.86. So therefore, this one here is 86 cents per liter. Okay? And if it's 86 cents per liter, then that means that this one here is the better buy. Okay, and that's all you're doing for all those equations in that in number 32. You simply are comparing them like that. Find your variable, divide both sides. It's just that simple. Okay. Now we're going to move on to question 33. Okay, so we got Karen versus Javon here, trying to figure out who's the faster runner, who's running the faster pace. Karen does 8 laps in 18 minutes, and Javon does 6 laps in 10 minutes. So what we need to find out is how long does it take them to run 1 lap. So we got 8 laps here. We're just going to divide both sides by 8, and we get a lap total of 2.25. So it takes them 2.25 minutes per lap. Okay? Now, don't confuse this 2.25. That's not 2 minutes 25 seconds. That's 2.25 minutes. So that we know that 2.25 minutes is equal to 2 minutes 40 or 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Sorry, I got to erase that. 2 minutes and 15 seconds. We know that 1/4 of a minute is 15, so it's 2 minutes 15 seconds. Okay, so that is what that total really is. But in this case, we're comparing the lap times. We'll be able to leave it as it is. Okay, so same thing over here. Divide both sides by 6. Your L equals 1.6 repeating. Okay, so it takes 1.6 minutes to run 1 lap. Therefore, it's taking him less time, because it takes this guy more time to run 1 lap, this guy less time to run 1 lap. So therefore, Javon is the faster runner, because he runs it in less time. Okay, let's take a look at the last question here on question number 13.4. Okay, in this one, Aaron makes $186 for 24 hours worth of work, and Kayla earns $225 for 30 hours of work. We want to find out who's making more money per hour, who's getting the best per hour rate. So if we want to try and find out the cost per hour, H is going to be our variable. So we take the first one, 186 equals 24H. We have to get H by itself. We divide both sides by 24. And H equals, get out our calculator here, 186 divided by 24 equals, he's making $7.75 an hour. Okay, so that's his rate of pay, is $7.75 per hour. Well, let's take a look at Kayla's. Kayla's is 225 equals 30 hours. Divide both sides by 30 to get get H by itself. Those cancel out, and we get, let's see here with the calculator, 225 divided by 30 equals 7.5. So she's making $7.50 an hour. And so clearly, Erin here has got a little bit better paying job. Okay, really that simple. Hope this is helpful to you. Make sure you're checking all the videos. Make sure that you got your tools assessment stuff ready to roll and your toolbox is updated for the tools assessment. And this stuff will be covered in that and also in your unit assessment. Good luck, everybody.